I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Gemini versus Photoshop. Gemini is a powerful artificial intelligence model, while Photoshop is a renowned raster graphics editor. Their fundamental purposes are quite distinct. Gemini excels at understanding and generating various forms of content, from text to code, whereas Photoshop is the go-to for intricate visual manipulation. Understanding these core differences is key to choosing the right tool for your creative or analytical needs. Gemini truly shines with its advanced artificial intelligence capabilities. It can effortlessly generate creative text formats, translate languages, and even write different kinds of creative content, like poems or scripts. Its multimodal nature allows it to process and understand diverse data types, including text, code, audio, images, and video. This makes Gemini an incredibly versatile assistant for content creation and complex information processing tasks. On the other hand, Photoshop remains the undisputed champion for image editing. It offers an extensive suite of tools for precise retouching, compositing, and graphic design. With granular control over every pixel and layer, designers can achieve professional-grade results, from subtle color corrections to elaborate visual effects. Photoshop is truly the industry standard for anyone serious about photo manipulation and digital artistry. So, when should you use each? Opt for Gemini when your task involves AI-driven content generation, summarization, or processing complex information across various modalities. Choose Photoshop for detailed image editing, graphic design, or creating stunning visual content from scratch. For projects that blend both text and imagery, leveraging the strengths of both tools in conjunction will often yield the most comprehensive and impressive outcomes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.